ML2000 Series mortise lock can be made left or right-handed with a few simple steps. The angled side of the deadbolt should always face the strike, and the cylinder hole should always be installed facing up. To determine the hand of a door, view the door from the outside or keyed side. In this example, the door swings in. This is a left-hand door. This is a right-hand door. In this example, the door swings out. This is a left-hand reverse door. And this is a right-hand reverse door. The tool required is a flat blade screwdriver. Please wear safety glasses when installing door hardware. Push in the latch. Depress the catch plate with a screwdriver. Push the latch out of the lock body and turn the latch over. Push in the latch. Here it is again. Ensure that the latch is pushed in until the catch plate is no longer depressed. Rotate the lock front to match the bevel of the door. Finally, be sure the red screw is on the locked side of the lock body. The handing is complete.